So here are some taillights that I've already worked on. It looks super dope. Final reveal, I'm actually giving them to Chris. So I invited Chris over to help with the car. The car actually doesn't need any help. I'm just chilling outside waiting for him. He's gonna be here any minute. So I have the taillights inside a box, inside my trunk. So when he gets here, I'm gonna open the trunk and tell him to open it and tell him that it's all his. I'm gonna record because I wanna get your reaction. I'm just playing. That's actually yours.
What is it?
Go ahead.
Oh.
It's all yours, yo.
No way.
I finished it up.
No way.
Yeah.
Damn.
So I am working on my own set of tails, but this one's all yours, man. If you remember one of my tails that I put on like the first year,
yeah,
this part was red.
Yeah.
And then this part was just like this.
Yeah.
But I actually really like how it turned out, and it didn't feel right throwing it on my car because I'm working on another set of tails anyways. But it's all yours, bro.
No way.
Yeah.
Stop it. Stop it.
There's only one caveat though. We gotta install it today.
Oh yeah.
You ready?
Fine.
Let's do it.
Yeah, I should pull in there, right?
Yeah, let's do it.
Thank you. Shoot.
So here are the base 0708 tails. You know, they're like red and then what is it, all white and clear?
Yeah, basically.
So the ones that I made are tinted with 2 coats of VHT nightshades. Taking a look at his old tails, they are a little bit damaged, but it makes sense because this TL has a hard life. So see a couple cracks. I mean, it does the job. It doesn't fog up or anything, right?
Nah.
Yeah. So
I think it just is cracked.
little chip right here. Yeah, you can see a little bit of damage under here. That's no issue. A little bit of crack right here. It's not bad for the OG tails,
Yeah.
but it's definitely going to be an improvement. I'm excited. You excited?
Yeah. I'm excited.
Oh yeah, let's do it. Alright, to take out the tails is actually really easy, but you do have to take off the rear bumper. It's a couple bolts over here, and then basically going all around and checking for any like bolts or nuts. Going right here, pretty much going all around, any clips or anything, and right here should be it. Might be a few 10 millimeters, but that's pretty much it. So if you guys do have tails and plan on replacing them in the future, this is how it's set up. Basically you have to remove that rear bumper, and then it has these brackets going into the tail light, or screw around with the tail light. So these are 2 10 millimeters, then there's one Phillips head. And usually what I do, or to help myself in the future, is just to cut these off so that you can just easily remove and then replace the new ones on. And these are how I made mine, which is basically just Dremel that middle piece out to make it sit as flush as possible. So to remove the taillight, we're in the trunk right here. There is one clip right here along with this little plastic piece right here. Turns, take it out, along with 4 8 millimeter little bolts that's holding the taillight, along with all the connectors. Pretty easy stuff. So this is how the tails are looking from the back side. Basically got to unclip this, and this is wired through right here all the way to this LED board underneath. The LED board is held on by 4 Phillips screwdrivers, and then like you pop it open, then you see that plug right there. Unclip that, and then basically got to unfeed it right here, and then you can take it out from right here. Yo, they look fire, dude.
That looks crazy. I wasn't even expecting that.
Wow. The camera can't catch all of it, but in person it looks sick. All right there, perfect. Yo, that looks so sick. How come mine don't look like that? That is sick, dude. What do you think of it, Chris?
That looks so fresh.
Yo, I'm excited to look at the
So
final
fresh.
product, dude. Yo, that looks so sick. We already tested everything out and everything works, so we're good to put the bumper back on. Yo, here's the final results, guys. What do you guys think? I actually think it looks super dope. I actually think it's better than if it was on my car. But I already got the red stripes. I'm actually really happy, and that's my favorite. But this is something, a little gift that I can give to Chris. I know it's really hard to hook up cars sometimes when you're still in school and working part-time, so I fully understand what's going on there. These are officially my favorite style on the black TLs. That about wraps it up, guys. What do you guys think? What do you think, Chris?
So fresh.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you all in the next one. Peace.